Hey everyone! Welcome back to Fun English Friends. It's great to have you here again.
Hi, friends. We're really happy you're joining us today. We have a super useful topic, something you can practice every single day.
Exactly. Today, we're talking about how to talk about your day in English. Morning, afternoon, evening, all the simple, natural phrases you can use in real life.
And we're not just giving you a list. We're going to show you a real conversation. I'll talk about my day, and Tom will react, ask questions, and help you hear how daily English actually sounds.
Yeah, think of it like listening to two friends chatting about their routines. It's simple, natural, and easy to follow.
So get comfortable, relax, and maybe think about your own routine too.
All right, let's jump in.
I wake up at around 6 a.m. every day. The alarm rings, and I usually lie in bed for a few minutes before I actually get up.
Wow, 6 a.m. That's early. So you don't get up immediately when the alarm rings?
Not really. I need a moment to open my eyes and think about the day.
I totally get that. Do you feel tired when you wake up, or do you feel fresh?
It depends. If I sleep well, I feel okay. But if I sleep late, I'm still sleepy at 6. After I finally get out of bed, I go straight to the bathroom. I brush my teeth and wash my face with cold water. It helps me wake up completely.
Cold water?
Yes, it shocks me a little, but it works.
I can imagine. Do you follow any special skincare routine?
Just something simple: face wash, toner, and moisturizer.
Nice. Very healthy routine.
Then I head to the kitchen and make breakfast. Usually I prepare something quick, like toast, scrambled eggs, or sometimes oatmeal.
That sounds nice. Do you cook every morning?
Most days, yes. I like eating something warm in the morning.
I wish I could do that. I'm always in a rush, so I just grab a banana.
That works too if you're busy. After breakfast, I get dressed and leave for work around 7:30 a.m. The commute takes about 30 minutes.
Do you drive or take public transport?
I take the bus. It's usually crowded, but I use the time to listen to music or a podcast.
That's smart. Makes the trip more relaxing.
Yes, it helps me start the day calmly. When I arrive at work, the first thing I do is make a cup of coffee. I feel like I can't start anything without it.
Same. Coffee is my morning fuel. How do you take yours?
Usually with a little milk and no sugar.
Nice. I like it sweet, so I add sugar.
Everyone has their own style. I have lunch at noon. I usually eat with my coworkers in the small cafeteria at work.
What kind of food do they have there?
Mostly simple meals. Rice dishes, noodles, some salads.
Sounds good. Do you always eat there?
Not always. Sometimes I bring food from home if I feel like cooking the night before.
That's a great habit.
After lunch, I usually go straight back to work. I try not to take a long break because it makes me feel sleepy.
True. Long breaks make it harder to work again.
Exactly. Sometimes I walk around for 5 minutes just to wake up.
A short walk helps a lot.
Yes, and then I continue with my tasks until late afternoon. Once I finish work, I study English for a while, maybe 20-30 minutes. I watch short English videos or practice speaking.
That's great. Every day?
Almost every day. I want to improve, so I try to stay consistent.
That's the key. Small steps every day.
Exactly. Sometimes I even listen to English podcasts on the bus ride home. Some days, I meet my friends after work. We usually go to a cafe or just walk around the mall.
That sounds fun. What do you usually talk about?
Everything: work, family, funny things. Sometimes we just relax and enjoy the moment.
It's nice to have friends you can unwind with.
Yes, it helps me reduce stress. If I don't meet my friends, I run some errands. Maybe grocery shopping, picking up a package, or paying bills.
Ah, yes. The adult responsibilities.
Haha, yes. Not fun, but necessary.
True. How long does it usually take?
Around an hour, depending on how much I need to do. In the evening, I cook dinner with my family. We divide the tasks. I cut the vegetables, my mom cooks, and my brother washes the dishes.
Nice teamwork. What do you usually cook?
Mostly simple home food. Soup, stir-fried vegetables, rice, chicken.
Sounds delicious. Cooking together must feel nice.
Yes, it's our bonding time. After dinner, I relax and watch TV. Sometimes we watch a family show. Sometimes I watch something alone.
What kind of shows do you enjoy?
Light shows, cooking competitions, travel videos, or dramas.
Perfect way to unwind.
Yes, it helps me turn off my brain after a long day. Later at night, I take a shower. A warm shower makes me feel clean and ready for bed.
Night showers are the best. Helps you relax.
Exactly. I also like to put on some comfortable clothes afterward.
Same. Pajamas just feel perfect at night.
Before sleeping, I sometimes read a book. Even just 10 minutes helps me calm my mind.
What kind of books do you like?
Fiction, mostly. Something easy and relaxing.
Good idea. Reading is better than scrolling on your phone.
Yes, it helps me avoid staying up too late. I go to sleep at around 10 p.m. I try not to sleep too late so I can wake up early the next day.
That's a healthy routine. Do you fall asleep quickly?
Most of the time, yes. If I'm too tired, I fall asleep in minutes.
Lucky! I sometimes need a long time to fall asleep.
You should try reading before bed. It really helps.
All right, everyone. Let's review Lisa's daily routine from this morning. First, you said you wake up at around 6 a.m., right?
Yep, that's right. I usually wake up around 6. I'm not a heavy sleeper, so I get up pretty easily.
And after waking up, you brush your teeth and wash your face?
Exactly. That helps me feel fresh and awake. It's the first thing I do after getting out of bed.
Then you said you make breakfast.
Yeah, I do. I usually make something simple, like toast, eggs, or oatmeal. It depends on how much time I have.
And after breakfast, you leave for work.
Right. I try to leave early so I don't rush. A calm morning makes my day better.
And of course, you start your day with a cup of coffee.
Yes, that's my favorite part of the morning. Coffee wakes me up and puts me in a good mood.
Okay, let's move to the afternoon. You said you have lunch at noon.
Yeah, usually around 12. Sometimes a little later, but noon is my normal time.
Then after lunch, you go back to work.
Exactly. I continue working for a few more hours in the afternoon.
You also mentioned that you study English for a while.
I do. Even just 15 minutes helps me improve. Small practice every day is better than nothing.
And sometimes you meet your friends?
Yeah, maybe once or twice a week. We usually meet at a cafe or take a short walk.
And you also run some errands in the afternoon?
Yes, things like buying groceries, picking up packages, or paying bills. Just small tasks.
Now for the evening. You said you cook dinner with your family.
I do. It's one of my favorite parts of the day. We talk while cooking, and it feels relaxing.
Then you relax and watch TV?
Yeah, just a little bit. It helps me unwind after a busy day.
After that, you take a shower.
Right. A warm shower before bed always feels good.
And then you read a book before bed?
Yes, even just a few pages. It helps me sleep better.
And finally, you go to sleep at around 10 p.m.
Exactly. I try to sleep early so I can wake up feeling fresh.
So, that's Lisa's full daily routine. Morning, afternoon, and evening.
And now it's your turn. Try talking about your own day using the same phrases.